हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल लेट्स स्टडी में आपका स्वागत है। इन टुडेज वीडियो आई विल टेल अबाउट वर्क्स ऑफ रिवर एंड रिजल्टेंट लैंडफॉर्म। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो।
River as a part of hydrological cycle. Due to evaporation of surface water, water vapor is picked up by the air above. The moist and warm air rises and at high altitude becomes cooled. Water vapor turns into water droplets, which become bigger and float as cloud and finally falls as rain by the gravitational pull of the earth. Ultimately, rain or snow melt water goes back to the sea or lake as river to complete the hydrological cycle or water cycle. So river plays an important role in completion of water cycle or hydrological cycle. River basin. An area drained by a river, its tributaries and distributaries is referred to as river basin. In other words, a river basin drains all of its water through a central channel of water or a river. Bigger the area of river basin, the role played by the river is more important. A river basin is usually delimited by water divide. The river Ganga basin is delimited by the Himalayas in the north and the Vindhya Satpura Michael Kaimur range in the south. River basin. Interflues. An interflue is a narrow, elongated and plateau-like landform between two river valleys. It is better defined as an area of higher ground between two rivers in the same drainage system. The interflues may have a rounded and less rugged appearance when adjacent river basins are separated by a line or especially by a single range of hills or mountain. The term is referred to as water divide or watershed. Amarkantak in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh is the water divide between Narmada and the Son river basin. Usually, adjacent river basins are formed in opposite sides of the highland. Rivers of the adjacent basin also flow in opposite direction. Courses of river. From source to mouth, the path along which a river flows is known as river course. Depending on flow of water and works of river, the courses of a river can be divided into three divisions: mountain or upper course, plain or middle course, and delta or lower course. Upper course. In mountainous region, upper course of a river extends from the source of a river to the plain land where a river leaves the highland. Upper course of the river Ganga extends from the Gangotri glacier at Gumukh to Haridwar. Middle course. In the middle course, river flows through a plain land. Middle course of a river Ganga extends from Haridwar to Rajmahal Hills. Lower course. In the lower course of a river flows through flat land. Lower course of the river Ganga extends from Rajmahal Hills in Jharkhand to the Bay of Bengal. Next part of this chapter will be continued in my next video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel.